Welcome to the Minneapolis College of Art and Design Printmaking Studio, or the Printshop. The Printshop is home to many different printmaking and bookmaking processes. This video will cover many of the important rules and regulations of the Printshop. These rules and regulations are in place for your safety, and it is important that everyone that works in the shop understands and follows these rules. After viewing this video, your class instructor will have you sign the MCAD Printmaking Studio contract. If you have any questions that arise, please ask the Printshop coordinator or your instructor. Our intaglio room is the home for intaglio, relief, letterpress, and monotype-based processes. We have a tacketch etching press, a French tool etching press, a brand etching press, an Osaka etching press. We also have a show card press used for poster printing and a Vandercook 219 used for letterpress printing. Our lithography area houses equipment for stone and plate lithography. We have a brand lithopress, a large yellow tacketch press, and our smaller tacketch press. The screen printing area not only has many surfaces for printing, but also 2 vacuum tables that provide students with reliable and accurate registration. Our bridge area is the home to our paper tearing area, our bookboard cutter, as well as 2 computers and a scanner. The acid room is home to many dangerous chemicals. It is of utmost importance that proper precautions are taken. Anytime that you use a solvent, acid, or chemical, solvent-resistant gloves should be worn. If you have a compromised immune system, are working on complicated etches, or have sensitive skin, goggles and solvent-resistant aprons should be worn when working with acid. The acid we use is called ferric chloride and has none of the disadvantages associated with the other acid etching solutions. It does not produce dangerous fumes and is odorless as well as water-soluble. If you get it on your skin, it is important that you rinse the affected area under running water for several minutes. If you spill large amounts of acid on yourself, please use the shower to rinse off. If you spill large amounts of acid on the ground, please use the Hazorb to absorb the acid and dispose of properly according to the instructions on the container. Please be aware of the location of the hot plates within the intaglio room and turn them off when you are finished using them. Because the presses and blankets are very expensive, it is very important to remember to bevel the edges of your plates before running them through the press. Failure to do so will damage the blankets by creating holes in them. The press blankets have a certain order and need to be kept in that order to function properly. They also need to be stacked like a staircase to create a set of steps for the roller to catch on them properly. Please use enough newsprint when you are printing, at least 2 or 3 layers, especially if you are monoprinting. If not, and you get ink on them when printing, you will be fined $25. Also, day students and continuing study students have different sets of blankets, so be sure that you are using the correct blankets when you print. The white tables are considered clean tables since we frequently lay out paper or prints. Please do not use this space to work on plates or anything else that will create a mess on these tables. Please also do not carve on these tables, but instead use the gray tables located in the intaglio area. The lithopress beds rust easily. Because of this, it is important that you remove any plate backers from the press beds once you are finished using them. Water can get easily trapped underneath the plate backers, and if left there for several hours, they will rust the press bed. Lithostones are very heavy. Because we care for your safety and the safety of the expensive lithostones, we have provided a stone lift cart so that you may easily transport heavy stones around the room. Oil-based printmaking processes can get messy. It is important that you thoroughly clean any tools and glass slabs that you use. Be sure to scrape all of the ink off of the glass slab, remove excess ink with ink eater, and follow up with simple green so that the slab is grease-free. To clean rollers, remove excess ink by rolling it out and then wipe down the roller with mineral spirits. Use this method to clean any of the Printshop rollers, with the exception of the leather rollers in litho that never get cleaned with solvent. Respirators must be worn when using excessive amounts of solvents in the lithography area.